What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to block recurring charges on Capital One, so stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. The first thing you'll need to do is to sign in and tap on your credit card account. And then next, you tap on View All in the Upcoming Bills section. To see an extended list of your bills and subscriptions, then find the merchant you want to block and tap on the three dots next to the recurring charge or subscription. Then select Block Future Charges. A pop-up will appear from the bottom of the screen, and after looking it over, tap on the red button that says Block Future Charges. Another pop-up will appear confirming your choice. This merchant charge will now appear on your bills and subscriptions page under Block. Please take note that blocking recurring charges does not cancel your subscription. It only blocks access from the merchant from taking funds from your Capital One account. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.